guys, it's Sandy. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a giant bubblegum slime. But before I get started into the tutorial, I want to show you guys a really fun and free puzzle adventure game. It's called Best Fiends. This is objects to defeat the bad guys. You can also... Thank you so much for listening, and let's get started into the tutorial. To get started, I'm using white glue, but you can use clear glue as well. So I use 2 8-ounce bottles of white glue and 3 4-ounce bottles of white glue. Next, you want to use any brand of shaving cream. Make sure it's the foamy kind, and the rule is to add less than the glue. So I'm using this much because I'm making a bigger batch, but if you're just making a smaller slime, you can just adjust to that. And then you want to mix everything until it's smooth. Now I'll be adding some hand soap. It's preferred to use the foamy kinds, but this will do. And I did not use any measurements, I just eyeballed it. So it's really up to you how much you want to use. Just use less than the amount of glue you have and mix everything together. Now you want to add some baby powder, and just to let you know, it doesn't matter what order you do these in after you add in the shaving cream. Now you can use any brand of lotion. Now lotion is optional, but I prefer to use lotion because it makes it more stretchier. If you want to add some color, you can also do that. So the last step is to add your slime activator. So I chose borax as my slime activator. I use 1 teaspoon of borax in 1 cup of water for my borax solution. Now if the slime is still sticky, you can continue to add a little bit of the borax until it's not sticky. This is what it looks like after it's done. Now to get that like swirly effect, all you need to do is just keep stretching the slime over and over again, and then it'll form these like lines, and then you can swirl it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave it a thumbs up, subscribe so that you'll be notified when I make a new video, and I hope you have a lovely day. Bye!